Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to request a refund on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and head to Amazon website. Once you're in the website, click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Here you can see the all option. Click on it. As you can see that I haven't made any orders. If you have, all of your orders will be displayed here. Now, in order to get refund, select the item that got delivered to you and now which you want to return. And click on return or replacement item. Now, you'll have to go through some instruction and mention the reason for the return and click on continue. After that, Amazon will ask you which way you want the return. Either it will add the balance on our Amazon or directly on our credit card. So choose the option you prefer and click on continue. And that's how we can request a refund on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.